I'm busy fucking too much recording. Get your charger.
Okay, done.
If you need a break, let us know.
Done.
Yeah, I'll come get you a oil change thing.
Or if you need one to drive for a bit.
I think I'll be good.
ये कहानी 5 दिन की कहानी है और कहानी कुछ यूं है that I am going down to Florida. Not just for fun, though I will have lots of fun, but because my friend is moving down there and I am helping him move by driving this big UHAUL truck with all of his stuff in the back, along with his car door behind in the back because he is driving in the car. Drive from Scranton, Pennsylvania, where I live, to Tampa, Florida, where my friend is moving right now, is almost about 18 to 19 hours, and I've done that drive straight, and I'm telling you, it's no fun at all. That's why this time we'll take a break in the middle in North Carolina. We'll spend a night over there, have fun, eat some good food, and relax, and then continue the drive tomorrow. It's really very tough to drive this big ass U-Haul truck along with a car, SUV towed in the back, and vlogging, making this video at the same time. So you guys better enjoy the video, and you know the rules. If you enjoy the video, you give it a like and a subscribe. And if you don't enjoy the video, you still give me a subscribe for the effort I'm putting in it. How's the drive so far?
Fucking sucks.
We just stopped for a short break, got our legs stretched, gas tanks filled up, and now part 2 of the journey towards North Carolina.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Got the food, got the brake, stretched the legs, and now it's time to start again. After 9 hours of a long ride, we are finally here in North Carolina. It's not just raining out there, it's pouring. The weather is so bad, but I'm glad we don't have to drive anymore because we are outside our hotel. We just checked in, and now let's just grab the stuff and let me show you how the room looks like. This is a nice room. Nice place to take a shower. Wow, this is good. Lounge, bed, TV. Huh. Looks like we're gonna have a lot of fun over here for just one night. Now let's put our stuff on charging and then we'll head out for some food. So we decided to go to some Korean, Japanese sushi type of place around over here. So let's go find some Korean, Japanese sushi place and have some food. I need some food. I need some food bad. Last night I slept a little bit late, due to which I woke up a little bit more late. Now we are getting late. My friends are waiting downstairs, so let's pack our stuff quick and run. I'm all ready now. Let me take a one last look, and yeah, I forgot my this. So let's head out now. So this is our first pit stop for the day, right in front of our hotel where we were staying. I only get to sleep for 3 hours last night, so I'm still a little bit tired. I need my coffee. So Anthony just went inside to grab the coffee while the truck or the U-Haul is getting filled up with the gas, which was surprisingly very cheap as compared to the gas prices in Scranton, Pennsylvania, which are very high. Anyways, Anthony also got me this coffee plus energy drink, Monster or whatever it is, and I have to say, it's pretty dope. I like it. Now we are back on the highway, and surprisingly today I'm much more comfortable driving this big ass U-Haul truck. Maybe I think after that yesterday I am over my fear, which is kind of good and not good also at the same time, because I'm driving this thing fast. Like right now I am around, I don't know, 75 miles per hour. Not good, over the speed limit. The game plan for the day is that we will be driving to the center of the Florida and we will be spending a night tonight over there. The reason is because on the outskirts of the Florida state, a hurricane is passing by and we don't want to be in the way, because our final destination is a beach. So we want to avoid the beach today and we'll be there tomorrow. So that means we'll get to sleep in another nice ass hotel tonight. I'm looking forward to it. After a long tiring day of almost 8 hours of straight driving, we are finally here in Florida, and right now we haven't still reached the coast yet, the house, the original location where we're supposed to because of the storm. So we'll be checking in inside this Holiday Inn hotel. So let's check into the hotel and see what kind of room do we get. Nice room. This is the bathroom. Nice. Coffee place, and this is our bedroom. Nice and big, some place to work. Nice view in the back. Couch. Nice. After checking in and getting fresh, now it's time to get some food. I don't know what's in the area because we're still on the highway. So this is a hotel right across the highway. So don't know what we can find around here and there, but we'll definitely try to find something and have a lot of that food. So let's go grab some food. Was too good. Now super full, super tired, so it's time to fall down on the bed and have some rest, and then later we'll work, and I'll see you guys in a while. Oh.
Hey, Bill, I'm in the mood for a switch up. I hit the function, hit the rose till I hiccup.